Article 110 of the Constitution deals with the definition of money bills. It states that a bill is deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions dealing with all or any of these matters. Number 1. The imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. Number 2. The regulation of borrowing of money by the Union Government. Number 3. The custody of Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund of India. Number 4. The appropriation of money out of Consolidated Fund of India. Number 5. Declaration of any expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of India or increasing the amount of any such expenditure. Number 6. The receipt of money on account of Consolidated Fund of India or the public account of India or custody or issue of such money or the audit of accounts of the Union or of state. Number 7. Any matter incidental to any of the matters specified. It excludes the imposition of fines or penalties, demands or payment of fees for licenses or fees for services rendered, the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. If any question arises whether a bill is money bill or not, the decision of Speaker of the Lok Sabha is final. Speaker's decision cannot be challenged in any court of the law or in either House of Parliament or even the President. A money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha and that too on the recommendation of the President. Money bill is always considered as government bill and can only be introduced by a minister. After a money bill is passed by the Lok Sabha, it is transmitted to the Rajya Sabha for its consideration. The Rajya Sabha has restricted powers with regard to a money bill. It cannot reject or amend a money bill. It can only make the recommendation. It must return the bill to Lok Sabha within 14 days, whether with or without recommendations. The Lok Sabha can either accept or reject all or any of the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha. If the Lok Sabha accepts any recommendations, the bill is then deemed to have been passed by both houses. The Lok Sabha can accept or reject any or all the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha, and then the bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses. If the Rajya Sabha does not return the bill to the Lok Sabha within 14 days, the bill is deemed to have been passed by both houses in the form of originally passed by the Lok Sabha. Thus, the Lok Sabha has more powers than the Rajya Sabha with regard to passing the money bill. Finally, when a bill is presented to President, the President may either give his assent to the bill or withhold his assent to the bill, but cannot return the bill for reconsideration.